Start by heating up the oven to a solid 375 degrees. In a generous-sized mixing bowl, merge together the following ingredients: 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 large egg beaten, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and seasonings such as 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, or according to your preference. Make sure they're thoroughly mixed. Next on the agenda, it's time to mold the mini meatloaves. Apply a thin layer of oil to a muffin tin or a mini loaf pan. Then, evenly distribute the meatloaf mixture among the muffin cups or mini loaf sections, applying a gentle pressure to solidify the meat mixture. As the meatloaf rests, we begin the journey of creating our mashed potatoes. In a large pot, cover the peeled and cubed 2 pounds of potatoes with water and let them boil until they're tender, around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the potatoes and return them to the pot. Add 1/2 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of butter, and mash until you have a smooth mixture. Season it with salt and pepper to your liking. On top of each mini meatloaf, spread a layer of the mashed potatoes you've just prepared. If you like, spread a bit of ketchup on top of the mashed potatoes and sprinkle with shredded cheddar cheese. It's time for the oven to do its job. Bake the mini meatloaf casseroles in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, until the meatloaves are cooked through and the tops are slightly browned. Once baked, allow the mini meatloaves to cool for a few minutes before removing them from the muffin tin or mini loaf pan. Serve warm and savor the comforting combination of meatloaf and mashed potatoes in every bite. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.